Inventions, and Technology.
This is Elephant in a Box, the strongest portable sofa that you can assemble instantly.
This couch is huge, but it comes in a small box.
Remember the last time you moved a couch? Moving is so hard. It ships directly to you, arriving in one, and only one, easy to move box. The Elephant in a Box is easy to assemble, no tools. And it's incredibly strong thanks to honeycomb technology. This durable, lightweight material can support up to 400 times its own weight.
It's the same technology used in modern aircraft!
How did we come up with this ingenious idea, you may ask? Designed by graduates of MIT and Harvard, this couch has it all. This couch consists of high-quality soft foam to give you the support you need and the comfort you desire. Elephant is eco-friendly. We don't cut down trees to make our product. We save you money while you save the planet. And thanks to the superior quality, Elephant in a Box is designed to last and stick by your side through life's transitions, just like man's best friend. I wrote that for you. And when it comes time to move, you can disassemble the couch with ease and take it with you. No truck, no hauling, no problem. So how much does this wonder couch cost? The Elephant in a Box is about 1/4 the price of a luxury couch. And unlike other sofa in a box companies, the Elephant in a Box is actually affordable. Let's party. Treat yourself. Oh. So that's it. The best, lightest, strongest, and last couch you'll ever buy. Welcome to the future of furniture. Elephant in a Box. You guys know I live here now, right?